Alright, this is an unboxing video for the Kinect for Azure DK. Everything's been marked off for the protection of the guilty. Go ahead and open it up now. This is actually the first opening. Didn't check it out beforehand for the video or anything. Bought it directly from Microsoft's website. It was on sale, $30 off. So let's see here. Did that get enough? There we go. And here we have it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around for the camera here. Inside we have a couple of compartments here. Don't know if anything in them yet. And the main box. So we'll check these side compartments real quick. See if there's anything in them. No, that's just for protection. Same with the other side. Again, nothing in there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take this up and we'll remove that. Again, we have serial number information, model number information, Kinect for Azure DK. This is a pull tab right here. Open that up. Check everything else. Make sure I'm not going to mess up the box. Hate tearing the box when I open it. Pretty tight fit on those corners. Okay. Got some information here about mounting screws, mounting sleeve, and the main box unit itself right there. First thing we have here is the Kinect for Azure DK manual. Here it outlines all the different components, labels out the parts, has it in English and French, and Spanish on the back. Little active barcode there, QR code. We'll have to definitely check that out and see what that contains in a link later. Okay, here we have a base for it with 2 pins. We have the brick, US style, 1 port. We have wires here, wires here, and a star nut wrench right here, and then our main unit right here. A little manual again in English, French, and Spanish. So look at the unit from all sides. Now here with the plate on, we have access to 1 USB port and 1 power port. Standard tripod mounting. And this is where I mentioned before that that's going to connect and it'll allow you to set it flat. So we'll go ahead and take the box away now. So, labeled power, this is going to be our power cord. Nice stretchy black rubber band, USB, and your power jack. Again, that's going to plug right in back here. Next we have our USB data communications for communicating with the computer. And again, we have a USB-C tip, and that would connect right here. This is for a single configuration. And here we have the wrench, and I'm going to go ahead and take that off of there and show you how that's used. So you have 2 screws right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. 1 and 2. Once we've done that, we can pull the sleeve, and as you can see here, this is for being able to connect more than one. This is the sync connections so that they can tell the timing and combine multiple streams into one point cloud data set. But we only have one, and so we're going to leave it with its original configuration. I'll set those screws back in just a moment. That is the Kinect DK from Microsoft.